Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Canam Defender HD10. It's the 1,006 seater, and this unit has right at 500 miles, and it's getting us another service done to it. This unit is pretty much all stock except for these M1 Evils, or M2 Evils rather, on MSA wheels. These are 30 by 10 by 14. Great tire, especially if you do a lot of hard pack riding and road riding. It's got the Team MSC windshields, front and rear, vented. Very nice windshields. You can get those at teammscparts.com for your Canam Defender. But I wanted to do just a quick overview. So far, so good. With about 500 miles, this unit is doing great. No issues at all, which I would hope not, right? With only that many miles on it. This unit does have the Echo X Gear soundbar. This is also available at teammscparts.com. This unit is also in here to get wheel spacers done, as well as the oil change and service. If you're watching this and you have a Can-Am unit and you're needing an oil change kit or wheel spacers or anything, we've got you covered at teammscparts.com. Go check that out. It's got tons of accessories, tunes, performance parts. They've got everything there. Pretty awesome. So we've been inspecting this one, just going over it. Absolutely no issues so far. We greased everything, changed and serviced the oil, and add some wheel spacers. But the unit's great. We're gonna go take it for a little ride and talk a little bit more about this unit. All right, so like I said, this Can-Am Defender has been absolutely great so far. It's got 500 miles on it, no issues at all. Very comfortable ride. The seating position is nice. I like it that, you know, out of some utility models are a little bit more vertical. This has a slight recline to it, so I appreciate that. A little bit more comfortable in my opinion, with me being 6'1". I like it. The rear, nice. It's got plenty of leg room and all. Gets the job done. Kids have a great time. But if you're a full-grown adult, there's room for you back there, no problem. I love the Team MSC rear windshield. That vented windshield actually does really good. Those are massive vents. I love how you can close that off. You know, you can tighten these down so it doesn't rattle. You can close it off during the winter, close up some of the air. Same thing up front. These let a massive amount of air flow through. Keep you cool on these hotter days. I really like that as well. This thing definitely needs a little bath, but it's about to get dirty again out on the trail, so we'll clean it up later. How about that? Love the Echo X Gear soundbar from teammscparts.com. It sounds great. Very, very nice. Overall, this is a good, smooth riding unit. Plenty of power for what it's made for. Definitely have room for the ice chest and bags for a long trip at places like Rainbow Falls, Windrock, any of our local parks, B&B Off-Road Park, Mudslingers. Great unit, man. So we're going to get some good trail riding footage of this unit soon. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. We'll compare it to the U-Force 1000. You'll see that as well. So that's going to be awesome. You'll see a lot of more comparison videos there on Real Talk Power Sports YouTube channel. So a lot of stuff kind of mingling between the two channels that we're running. Team MSC, the one you're watching here now, as well as Real Talk Power Sports YouTube channel. We got some performance parts coming for this unit. We've already got the MSC tune for it, and we've got some clutch work that's going to surprise you. Definitely going to shake up the game in the Can-Am clutch, aftermarket clutch kit world. You're going to be impressed. We're going to show you. We got a dyno, we got all kinds of stuff that's going to prove that we have the best products on the market. So hey, hope you enjoyed it. More to come. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.